YouTube, it's your girl Jada Jonay, and I'm back with another video. And as you already see by the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys this wig that I got from Ashimary hair company. Major shout out to Ashimary for sponsoring this video. This wig is literally bomb. This is their 99J deep wave 24-inch wig, and it is fire. It's literally the perfect color, and I feel like it goes so well with my skin. I'm not going to talk y'all heads off. All links and specs will be in the description box below. Let's go ahead and get into the install. I love that they always send over plenty of goodies. They literally send everything that you'll need for your install: your wig band, lashes, the perfect wig caps that are like see-through. I think they're called HD caps. Literally perfect for a flawless install. They also send over an information card, lashes, wig band with the ear tabs, a edge brush, bobby pins, and the wig. This is how it looks straight out of the pack. It looked really nice. It did come pre-plucked, which I did appreciate, and it came with a care tab for all the info you'll need on the hair. This is the inside construction of the wig. It does come with an elastic band, and for the most part I feel like this will fit pretty much a general amount of people. For the actual install, this is me applying my ball cap, starting out with an HD wig cap, and I'm gonna cut out my ears. This is gonna make sure that it lays flat across my head. I then go in with my Got To Be spray, and I spray that around the perimeter of my hairline. Then secondly, I'm gonna go in with my Erica J Hold Me Down lace glue, and I'm gonna apply that around the perimeter of the cap. That dries completely clear, I'm going to go in with my Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the shade 11, and I'm going to apply that to the entire wig cap. After that step, I'm going to take some scissors and go ahead and start cutting off that cap. Try to cut as close and as much as you can off so that it can lay completely flat. After your cap is cut off, you want to try on your wig and do any altering or measuring that you feel you may need to do. Sometimes based on your hairline, you do have to be a little bit more intense with how you pluck or lay the hair. So that's just what I would recommend, is to make sure you try it on first before you go straight in and glue. I did go in and pluck just a little bit. It was pretty good pre-plucked, but I did want to touch it up just a tad just to make sure that it was exactly how I wanted it. Trying to get a feel for exactly how I want to style it. Following the perimeter of the cap, I'm going to go back in with that same glue, and I'm going to do a thin layer of glue around my hairline. Don't forget to smooth out your glue, because this is going to help it adhere better and lay smoothly and dry evenly. The amount of layers you apply is strictly up to you. Do 1 or 2 for light hold, 3 to 4 for max hold. Decided to go with 2 because I was going to be wearing it not for long at all, but I wanted it to hold pretty well. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. Once that glue dries clear, you want to go ahead and pull that wig down into the glue. Make sure you're firmly pressing it in with your fingers. You can also use your comb to melt that glue and that lace in together as well. Now I'm going to go in with my elastic band. I like to leave mine on for 10 minutes, and I love that they have this elastic band with the black things on it because it helps your ears. I have a bunch of earrings, and this makes it a little less uncomfortable. That's completed, you can go ahead and take it off, and it should be pretty melted. As you see, it looks really good. You then want to take your straight razor and then start cutting off the excess lace around the front, and make sure you're doing it jaggedly so it'll look natural. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather So this is what you'd be left with when you're done. I love how this lace melted. It looks so good already. I decided to go for a side part because that's just how I was feeling. I love a side part curly, and I knew this was gonna look really good. Key to a good wig is making sure it's nice and flat. So I'm going in with my hot comb and my wax stick, and I'm just literally making this melt down and flat as I can. Go in with the concealer stick and define that part just to make it a little bit more standing out. And already this was looking great. Like, I could leave it like this. The lace was melted so well. Like, I could do no baby hairs with this and it still would have ate. It looks so good. But I did want to do a side part edge, and I was just showing y'all a little versatility. Like, this lace was great for a colored wig. So I pulled the baby hair out, I cut it, I curled it, and then I swooped it using Got To Be gel. And I did very light baby hair. Like, this wasn't supposed to be like a statement edge. This was more so like a last minute decision, but it still came out really cute.
That I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I
As for the hair itself, I didn't have to do much to manipulate it. I did apply just a little bit of water. I didn't put any product on it because I wanted it to be nice and fluffy, and it still came out super duper cute. Like, y'all, I love this color on me. I love it. Y'all know I rarely do color, but this was tea. This was the finished product. As you see, I love this hair. I actually did a giveaway with this wig, and I hate to see her go because this is so pretty. I haven't had this color in so long, and it literally just ate. Like, Ashimary, you did your big one with this. Let me know in the comments down below how y'all feel about this color on me. All links and specs will be in the description box below as always. I love this hair. This is perfect for the holidays and the fall and even the winter. But yeah, that's it. That's all. Love you all, and I will see you guys in my next one.